PRN. Please pay attention to this because this comes in exams. What is PRN? As needed. This is a Latin word, so don't try to translate P. What P is A? No. So this is a Latin word that you have to be taking this medication as needed, only when you develop the symptoms. Particularly, there are some medications like, pain medications, antipyretic medications to relieve fever, inflammation. You're only going to take them when you feel the symptoms. Other than that, you don't take it. So that is PRN. Sometimes we write in the prescription if the medication is supposed to be taken as needed, so we write down PRN. So remember, telephone orders, you give an order to the medical provider, particularly the nurses, to give medication by phone. Verbally, I don't write the order. I just tell them, can you please go give this patient, Mr. Smith, this particular medication, this dose, this route. So next time, we're going to be discussing exactly how these orders are followed through. This is not like I get a verbal order, telephone order. Oh, yeah, say whatever. Yeah, you told me that. No problem. No, you have to follow strictly some steps before you actually administer this medication. Routine orders, medication that the patient is being taking continuously. So we know already. It's like, yeah, I know. Yes, give the same dose to the patient. Remember the medication that was taken, go back again because this medication is supposed to be given a certain periods of time, the same dose, the same route. So routine is something that is continuously done. No changes. So that's basically what it is. Any questions before we say goodnight about anything, controlled substances, prescription information, e-prescription, paper prescriptions, I don't know, side effects, synergism, anything? Okay, so then you
Sorry,
have, sure.
could you say again about the PRN, the whole name?
Okay, PR, no, do not worry about what it means in Latin. Worry what it means in English, as needed. PRN means as needed. Okay? Do not look for the
Okay, thank you.
translation of P, what P stands for, what R stands for, what N stands for. Not at all. This is a Latin word, so you will never be asked. It is translated to English as needed. So whenever you see PRN, that they ask you a question, or you see it in a prescription, or you see it anything else, means that you're supposed to be taking whatever you need to take as needed. Whenever you feel that the symptoms are up, then you take it. That is PRN. Okay? So don't try to look for the definition in Latin because that will never be asked. It is translated. PRN means as needed. If I need now because I'm having a headache, oh, I take Tylenol, Motrin, Aleve, or any other medication that I might have. If I don't have it, I don't take it. Only as needed. So PRN means as needed. In a prescription, they're going to tell you as needed. They're not going to give you take every 2 hours, every 24 hours, every 12 hours, every 6 hours. No, as needed. Only when you develop the symptoms, you take it. So that is as needed. Okay? Understood?
Thank you.
You're welcome. When we meet next module, I can explain you more if you want, but it's just done. This is the translation as needed. The purpose is to understand when you see this, how can you interpret them, particularly it works for medications that is being taken as needed. So they're not going to give you a schedule, a time for you to take the medication. I have a headache. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. Okay, I'm going to prescribe this medication. How often should I take it? As needed. Whenever you feel the symptoms, you can take that. That means PRN. Okay, so thank you for participating in the class. Thank you for attending the class. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I will be seeing you back on Monday, because today is Thursday, tomorrow no class. And we continue with this pharmacology. And next module, we're going to be seeing each other because the next class is going to be presential. It's going to be in Manhattan. We're going to have phlebotomy. So we're going to learn how to draw blood. We're going to do it, okay? So that's basically what it is. We're done for today. Good night, get some rest, stay warm. I'm very warm here, so I'm going to stay cold. I'm going to turn my air conditioner later.
What day we have to go in person, you said?
That is at the end of this module. I will be telling you later on. I don't have the schedule with me right now, but that is February.
Okay.
February the 2nd or the 3rd, something like that.
All right.
Yeah, but I will be keeping you post, okay?
Okay, thank you, Professor.
You're welcome. You guys have a wonderful night. Thank you for attending the class once again. Bye now.
Good night. Have a
Good
good
night.
weekend.
Good night. Good night, everyone. Take care.